Follow me. The motor in one direction, in the blue direction, spins clockwise. In the yellow direction, counterclock. The red solenoid allows the fluid for
Clockwise?
for this actuator. And the green solenoid allows the flow for the other actuator. Everybody follow me?
Yes.
Okay, pay attention. This is the switch. Double, 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 double. You have two switches, you see? Double, 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 double. Ready? I need connect those switches. I need create the configuration in order to allow, for example, pay attention. When I press both of them in the button, both flaps goes
Down.
down. When I press button on top, both of them goes
Up.
when I press this one and yeah. Okay. Do the configuration of the switches according with the color of the wires. Can you connect? This is the power coming in.
Yes. So
Let's see. Okay.
yellow,
Yellow with yellow.
Blue with black.
Blue with black.
blue.
Sorry, Mr. Lopez, we're not Mickey Mouse.
And what about this?
This is the power.
The power coming in.
Yes.
But the power is entering.
Right here.
It's
Okay.
gonna work.
It's
All right.
It's a little unorthodox, but
Okay.
we do
The honors. Let's see. I'm making like this.
blue.
Okay. Okay, down. Okay, in the pen. Perfect. Okay, congratulations. 100 for you.
Thank you.